Well, I decided to go shopping, and I deliberately decided to go on a Thursday because that is when everything is normally stocked up to the hilt. And flyers come out every Thursday for sale prices for products. The store shelves are bulging, and well, I've noticed that cracks are beginning to show just a little bit. There is an appearance of normalcy, but the shelves are not as full or as bulging as they would like you to believe. So there are cracks starting to show. The fruits and vegetables still look fine. There still seems to be an abundance of fruit and vegetables. The odd food, or the odd area there has nothing, but 99.9% of all the fruits and vegetables are still available. So, although prices are fairly high, to be expected, I actually believe I spent quite a bit more in this store than I normally did. Everything that I purchased cost more. So, there was not one item that was a reasonable price. Yes, and normally you wouldn't see blank spots even in the meat counters. You would have somebody refilling them and overflowing actually. So, as I say, the cracks are starting to show. I wouldn't say that there's anything to be concerned about just yet, but should things continue the way they are, and there definitely will be a shortage of some food items. Don't know what specifically, do not know what we import, and I suspect a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables are imported. I believe the dairy industry will survive here, but yeah, even I'm looking for 10% cream, and even that is very expensive right now. So I could go to Costco, and I've got it for just over $2 or just under $2 for a carton there, but it was double that today. So, and even the milk, I always buy 3%, always have, and that was at least $1 more than I normally would pay for that item as well. So, and at this point I decided that perhaps I should take a walk through all the aisles and get an idea of what the shelving looks like. And where you expect full shelves, there are gaps in products. Too many gaps for a Thursday. As I said, normally Thursday everything is packed solid, lots of products, so I have to wonder what these shelves look like when the weekend is over. that would be a bit worrisome. So I suspect that it looks, once again, like cracks are starting to show now. What's going to happen when come Monday or Tuesday? What are these shelves going to look like then? So continue along now. This is highly unusual, definitely highly unusual. Every aisle has shelves that are bare, or very thinned out if not bare. Okay, well, this is Tony from Homestead Skills, and I'm just trying to keep an eye on what is happening in the food industry retail market right now, and it is of slight concern, not a huge concern, but of slight concern. Thank goodness I have a full pantry, but if anything should happen, definitely there would be shortages of fresh foods. So, keeping an eye. I'm hoping you're enjoying this video, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.